One woman just bath her husband with hot water. This one, the water don't boil well, and the woman prepare her. Say because this man, they always beat her. The man, no, they even take care of the children in the first place. Say in fact, since when they don't marry, now this man don't change. Say as they born first speaking, now there this man start to dey drink, start to dey misbehave. And say they don't marry for 21 years, auntie. 21 years, you dey receive panel beating and you no move. You sit down there, say wait till you dey enjoy this kind thing. Say even sometimes she as a woman, she go work. This man go still enter house, go thief her money. I beg wetin you can't achieve inside this your own marriage, because for you to sit down there 21 years, I don't even know wetin, I don't know your aim and achievement, I don't even know your goal. Because this one way they talk am now, people go pity you. But you sef, you can't be like say you mumu. My people make no be like say na me they overtalk this kind thing. Make na sef is na here for na sef.
Tọkọ mi fẹ́ra láti 21 years ago. Ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó máa ń mọtí, kò ní tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ. Ó máa owó tó yẹ kó fi sanwó school fees á máa fi mọtí káàkiri. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ó ti máa ń ṣe bí kó lọ àwọn fóònù tó bá wà lọ kó lọ tà kó fi mọtí. Ní bí 2 weeks ago ó ti wọnú yàrá mi, ó Janet yàrá mi, ó gbabẹ̀ wọlé, ó mú owó ń bẹ̀. Owó tó mú yẹn ó lọ fi mọtí. Mo fi yẹn sílẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tó wá di on the 2nd last month 2021 ó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ó ti lọ mọtí ó ń jọ yẹn. Ó wá dé, ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń rojọ́ fún àwọn neighbor mi, ó ń sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn yẹn wá ń sọ fún pé kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe, ló ṣàn oríṣiríṣi ẹjọ́ fún èmi wà nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù mò ń sùn. So ìgbà tó máa wá bá mi nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń nà mí mọ́nú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn. Tó bó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń fún mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́nú ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Bó ṣe nà mí tán ó wá ń sá, ó gbẹ̀yìn kùlé, ó fẹ́ máa sá lọ. Mo wá dìde, ó wá ṣàdúró sẹ́yìn kùlé kò wá, ó dúró síbẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe wá dìde nìyẹn, mo wá lọ ní kí n máa dáná kí àwọn ọmọ mi tó ti school dé ní bí aago 3. Bí mo ṣe wá ní kí n máa dáná báyìí, bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bọ̀ ni bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣépè fún mi fáwọn ọmọ mi nìyẹn. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣépè fún ìdí nìyẹn ló wá bí mi, omi tí mo gbé kaná pé mo fi bọ̀ ẹ̀fọ́ tí mo ṣe wá dà sí lára mi tó lọ lie down sí. Mo bímọ àkọ́kọ́, ọmọ yẹn wà bí ọmọ 4 years. Tí mo bá ní mo fẹ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn òbí mi á ní rárá pé ó mú àwọn bá mi jà. So láti ibẹ̀, láti bí ọmọ 4 years yẹn mo rí pé kò ń mọ tí kì í mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ó máa ń dọ̀jẹ̀ mi ò mọ̀. But ìgbà tó wá tó bí tọmọ yẹn tó bí ọmọ 4 years ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, ló wá ń gbé wà yẹn jáde díẹ̀díẹ̀ títí tí mo tún wá bí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ó ṣàmọ̀ tí yẹn kò ń ṣe pọ́tí tó mu tó ń pọ̀ tó yẹn. Gbogbo tó yá ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pọ̀ títí lórí ọmọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Bí ọmọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mọtí yẹn tó ti pọ̀ gan, tó jẹ́ pé ó máa wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀bù ló máa ba nǹkan jẹ́.
Una don see abi? On top this one marriage, na person sef decide say she no go anywhere. Say na there she wan die inside this love garden. Say this man, if you wan even beat her sometimes, na shovel na this man go use carry take dey beat this woman. And if dey beat this woman, she born 1, born 2, born 3, born 4, so tey she born 5. Una dey see love? After they beat and finish for night, sweet him, honey, she go keep leg down, open and wide. The man go still go down there doing thing. Later now, she come outside, they talk say na out of frustration. Say she no plan kill the man, no. Now because of say she don't vex. Now that annoyance, now make can carry the water, go pour for the man body. This was what we fit even say decide, say this one na self-defense. Say the man they beat, but the hot water too much. At least if I never let her, make her not say for no let her boy. If you don't even go gather boys, as you know, say you won't even pay this man well. Make they beat him. Or you leave the person. Because now she still use her mouth talk, say, she complain, say the man they do this thing. Her own family, you tell and say, carry yourself, come out from the house. She talk, say no. And as also some women, some people, that they face this kind of thing for house. They go there, they beat them morning, afternoon, night. Man go talk, say, you marry, you no go come out from your house again, go visit anybody. She still sit down there, say, okay, this love, I died here. Now here I go there. Now they come, they beat you, now you can't know, say, you won't go do bad thing. I beg, you say this hot water wey poke for this man body, he can't die. Real story won't come they talk. Because from the start, you say this man no they take care of you. Now she they do everything, house rent or school fees, so now she they pay everything. So I beg, what you can't they gain inside this thing? Where you be say you can't stand there. If you say they don't use super glue gum your nyash inside the marriage. Because I don't know the reason now. Where be say now you can't they beg say may they pity you. May God may not to give you love. Because if say this man, yeah, that's the reason. If say this man, this hot water can't pass this one. I be something can't go affect her, I be say something can't go spoil. What do you want can't talk? Because court no go listen to say you dey frustrated. They no go even reason themselves say maybe na the man dey at fault. They go just leave you say okay, you don't keep person, you don't keep person. As you say for mumu, you mumu finish, then they beat you inside, you see they burn. It means say you dey okay. It means say you love this man, you like him. A whole 21 years of marriage. It means say the marriage don't tire. And people you know say love don't tire you. Make na find a square root. Make the man go one side, make the woman self go. Love no be by force, marriage no be by force. So all this one way they happen, I no even dey understand. This woman now, as she did, I know be na court they won't be which kind judgment. But people they talk say make they release her. Say na self-defense. Say if say the man kill am, what is she for the talk? So me, I don't even know which one I want support. My people where they watch. What do you wanna say feel about this matter? Which kind judgment may they give this one? May they leave him, I be may they arrest him. My people, I hear this one. I want to make her bring am come, make na self in her ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Make na don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you for our next video. Nothing where person no go see inside church. Oh, hey, in fact, they just catch one woman. She dey thief. She dey steal from the house of God. Oh, people. In fact, wahala for who no be usher because he be like say now, ushering business inside church. Now there the money they cash flow from. Now there people they pick pockets inside offering box. And this kind until like this person could reason and say, this woman na mommy Gio. Now one kind big pastor, be now one kind big woman for inside church of God. Oh. You know, can't believe say this kind woman. Go gather mora, bend down with a ingbe casket, bend down, they pick the high denomination where they inside the church offering basket. My people beg, make now watch. Auntie, you don't even fear God. You can't even carry this money, they put it inside your soku factory. You don't know say this thing go even get side effect. You know why here say no good make person they put money inside breast. Maybe say now only that place now you can't say Naija you won't go hide this money. But this kind of thing where you do, I beg you no good. How you go to steal from your papa basket? Because this one na God money. Now God get this money, so I don't understand your wahala where they do this kind of thing. You no good, no talk through, you no good. But you even surprise me because I sure say, in fact, the person will even shock me. For this video, if now watch am, one man just they go, they come. The man blind. You know they say as this woman they take the man, two of them they be partner in crime. Because I don't understand. But I sure say for church to put CCTV for inside this place, they don't notice say something they happen. They don't know say pastor people 1,000 naira, but by the time we go collect no total money for offering, now 30 naira and I go see inside. Now they go reason and say bless me and put CCTV. Make him know what they really happen inside this church. As God can cuckoo catch you see. So they just can't disgrace you. But not to blame this woman because now God cuckoo get this money. And you feel collect anything from your papa hand now. As now God get the money, maybe Nadia she come in and say, she dey work for God to make she self take her share from this thing. But we there, in fact, make I no lie. This one we should do in as if they say na inside church. If say you ask, maybe they go give you, but you know all this kind of church, they may not give her. Maybe now what she reason, I make her talk say, make she cuckoo take what she take. But if you want thief, you go thief with sense. Why be saying that then the 1,000 naira note, big money, now you can't know say na only that one you want fetch, you can't do selete. They find which one where you want pick inside all this money. Later now your type, you go dey preach, you go dey speak in tongue. Person go dey think I say na better speak, they no go know say one mind na church mind, one mind na thief mind, na they use. See, some people, in fact, the kind of mind that they gather, they take thief, you go dey surprise. If say you do them outside now, we no go even talk. This one na inside church of God. I don't know, say no, she be the first people. Some people where they even watch this thing and know say some of them say either they thief, or be they no person where they thief. Inside church, I know they talk of us inside church. Every say they go drop offering fit be 10,000, they go comot like 2,000 naira as their own percentage and share. Say shebi church no dey pay them. All this kind act abeg, e no good, make una work on am. This one now here, I come say make I bring am reach una side, make una service una ear. Hear wetin dey happen inside Naija. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I go see una for the next video.